The Ventura Superior Court Self-Help Legal Access Center presents How to Change Your Name or Your Child's Name. This video contains general legal information only and is not intended to constitute legal advice. The information and forms in this video will not cover petitions for changing name and gender identity and changing the name of a minor child in a legal guardianship. For assistance with these types of cases, please contact the Self-Help Legal Access Center directly. Contact information is included in the links below. The court process to legally change your name involves filing forms with the court, publishing notice in a newspaper, and attending a court hearing. If a judge agrees, they will give you a court order called a decree that states your new legal name. So, what forms are you going to need? The forms you need can be found in the form packets on the court's website. The form packets also has a link for an online form preparation program that can help you complete the forms. After you create your account, the forms interview will look like this. Once you have completed the forms in this program, you can email them to the Self-Help Center and to yourself for review. Please note that this program does not file the forms for you. The petitioner is the person asking for the name change. If this is a name change for a minor child, either both parents or one parent can petition for the name change. All names must be the same on all forms. You will need to use full legal names. Do not use any abbreviations or initials, as this may cause problems when submitting the decree to change your legal documents. You need to list all of the other names you have used in the past or are listed on your legal documents when completing the forms. You will use AKA, also known as, and list all the names you have used. For example, Jane Ann Smith, aka Jane Annie Smith, aka Jane Ann Jones. Before your court hearing, you must have one of the forms called the Order to Show Cause published in a newspaper for 4 consecutive weeks. This means that the information related to your name change request will appear in the legal notice section of a newspaper. The court has a list of approved newspapers that you can use. See the link below or contact the Self-Help Legal Access Center for the list. Once you have chosen a newspaper, you will need to list its name on the Order to Show Cause form. There is a fee to publish in the newspaper. This is a separate fee and is not waived by the court fee waiver. Different newspapers charge different fees. You should call ahead to ask about the publication fee. Once your forms are complete, you will need to file them with the clerk of the court. Make sure you bring the original and a copy of each form to the civil clerk's office. To file, the petitioner will have to pay a fee or obtain a fee waiver. If this is a petition to change the name of a minor child, and both parents are petitioning for the name change, each parent must apply and qualify separately for a fee waiver in order for the filing fee to be waived. The civil clerk's office is located in room 210 on the 2nd floor of the Ventura Superior Court. Please check the court's website for fee information and hours of operation for the clerk's office. You will receive a file-stamped copy of the Order to Show Cause form, Form NC-120. This form will have the date, time, and courtroom of your hearing date listed on it. This is a form you must publish with the newspaper you selected. You should contact the newspaper right away, as you will need to publish it for 4 consecutive weeks before the hearing date. After the publication is complete, the newspaper sends you a document called Proof of Publication. Before your hearing date, you need to file the Proof of Publication with the clerk's office, the same place that you filed the petition. Some newspapers file the Proof of Publication for you. You should ask the newspaper directly if they provide this service. If you are asking to change your child's name and both parents are not petitioning the court, The non-filing parent will need to be served with a copy of the Order to Show Cause form, NC 120. There are rules about who can be the server. The server cannot be you, and they must be at least 18 years old. If the other parent lives in California, personal service is required. Personal service means that the server must hand deliver a copy of the Order to Show Cause form personally to the other parent at least 30 days before the hearing. If the other parent does not live in California, personal service or mail service with return receipt is allowed. This means that your server will mail a copy of the Order to Show Cause form to the other parent with return receipt requested. The post office will send you a signed receipt, typically a green card, of the other parent receiving the form after it is delivered. If you are serving via mail, you must have the Order to Show Cause mailed to the other parent outside of California at least 40 days before the hearing. Once the Order to Show Cause has been served, the server will have to complete the proof of service. When completing the proof of service, the heading on the proof of service form is completed the same way you filled out the heading on the other forms. The server will complete the form, date, print their full name, and sign the proof of service form. You then need to file the proof of service form with the court before your hearing date. If you serve the other parent by mail, the return receipt, the green card, will need to be attached. You must attend your court hearing. Make sure to be on time and to have all your filed forms with you, including your proof of publication and proof of service if applicable. You may be able to attend your hearing remotely. If you would like to attend your hearing telephonically before your hearing date, you have to set up your appearance through a company called Court Call. There is a separate fee for Court Call, which may be waived if you have a fee waiver granted by the court. For information regarding Court Call, you can go to courtcall.com. The link to the Court Call website is available in the video description. For information on remote appearances, contact the Self-Help Legal Access Center. If your petition is granted, the judge will sign the decree changing name Form NC 130. You will need certified copies of the decree to change your name on your birth certificate, Social Security card, passport, and other legal documents. You can get certified copies of the decree from the Records Department of the court. Information on making an appointment with the Records Department is available on the court's website. Here's an overview of the process to file a petition for a name change, starting from when your name change petition is filed with the court up until the court hearing. Step 1. Complete your name change forms and fee waiver if eligible. Step 2. Select a newspaper to publish your notice of name change. Step 3. File your forms with the court and publish your name change in the newspaper you selected. Step 4. Serve the other parent, if applicable. Step 5. File the proof of publication and proof of service, if applicable. Step 6. Attend the court hearing. Thanks for watching. For more information on how to get started, contact the Self-Help Legal Access Center.